Okay, well, good morning. This is the next day. So obviously the test plot we're pretty happy with. I think the last 3 varieties we did, you'll notice they dropped off a few bushels. And I think that had more to do with the drought than the actual variety, because it's very consistent. And there was a little bit of a sand knoll. Maybe the test plot should have been brought over the, just a little bit more the one way. What do you do? Anyways, but yes, next morning. So here we are. Our 13-inch augers let us down again. So we have ordered a new gearbox. Try and take it out. It's not budging. We noticed this started walking forward. That's not great. So we're actually just going to take this down. We're going to put up our 10-inch auger and use it. And oh, of course, we're waiting for parts. So get to another auger. So this will just get pushed to the side. When parts come, somebody will just come here and fix it, or maybe they'll take it to the shop at MFA. Doesn't matter to me. Just get it done. Make it happen. 10-inch auger isn't that bad. It still moved a lot of corn. This moved it way quicker, but moving corn is moving corn. So obviously the dryer shut down because we couldn't fill the wet bin last night. So that kind of, you know, that did suck. Anyways, we're gonna get this. Guess we might as well get this thing warming up. Owen's bringing the loader tractor over. We're going to try to jack that up and pour the corn into the loader. That would be lovely, so we don't have a big mess. Well, it's time to bust out the 806. At least we get to use it. Okay, I want to start unloading the wagons. I'm gonna get this dryer going again. Hopefully we can have a good day. I'm getting really tired of stuff breaking. That's how it goes. That is how it goes. Stuff weighed up nice, 56 pounds. That's actually heavy. So we'll probably go 57 pounds, 58 pounds by the time it's dried. That's pretty solid stuff. So at least that's going good for us this morning. Get back at it. It is a little after 11. The last wagon unloaded for this morning. And actually everything that we had full, we will have the dryer wet to pretty well full. The unfortunate part is that all should have been dried and we should have started fresh. It worked out all right. So, yeah, once it's done, I think we're gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna run the buggy for a bit, or all it wet. Just gonna see how it goes. Grab some food, then we'll get back to the field. Worked out perfect. Yes, we have test dryers doing its thing. Little parts right with this weed. Yeah, I'm gonna talk. I want to see what his game plan is. I know what my game plan is, but sometimes I don't know if you know how brothers are, but everybody thinks that most times we can figure out without talking. But other days, I'm thinking one thing, he's thinking another. We don't talk for a moment. Somebody's pissy. It's better to have a quick little chit chat that we get along better. Set up, ready to go. I'm gonna hop over to the buggy. Owen's gonna start. Since the dryer is full, I think I'm just gonna run buggy for the afternoon. And then, actually Mike's picking eggs today. It's a Saturday, by the way. So since Mike's picking eggs, when he's done, we'll just get him to kind of pull all the wagons up. And well, by then we should be able to at least load one or two sets and kind of keep going. I don't know if we're going to finish home farm today or not. Hopefully not. That means our bushels are really good. And then that'll be just kind of nice. Everything should be full for tonight. Start again tomorrow. So should mention. So and I were thinking the same thing. I'm just going to run the buggy for now. Buggy boy. Oh yeah. So this is why I do beans. I actually really like to be running around in corn harvest. It doesn't matter what job needs to be done. I like to just kind of do it all. It's nice to run the combine in beans, but that's all you do is just run the combine. Oh, we have a baby bump. Nice and slow for the turn. Let's not have any cab corn. I hate cab corn. But it does happen. And we can see it going into the wagon and the little screen. So this is the first time I've used our new buggy actually. So far, so good. I like it. But yet again, this is 2022 and actually the quality of this screen is, in my opinion, garbage. You get the gist of it, but can't believe that ag technology hasn't came very far at camera stuff. farm is finished. I think I can squeeze maybe the 500s in the wet bin, and the one 600 I only got to dump it, so I'll put it off first. Those will be empty, and if we get the 500s empty, we'll go to another field and fill them. What are you upset about? What now? Crap. Okay. No one's got the 5s. How did they go down there? Everything went good down there? Okay, next stage of the afternoon. Got my son Carter with me. We're going to... Owen's actually heading down right now to the next field. He's going to break it out so we can park these wagons. Mike's got to come pick us up. Mike and I will bring the next set of wagons and the buggy. There's always lots of running around. Okay, so we're still in the next field. Say hi, PJ. I got my oldest with me now, so. Hi. Just a nice little Saturday, a little family time. Guys, we'll check back in with you guys later. Well, good morning. I guess this is how I'm going to finish the video. Here checking on the dryer, Sunday morning. Oh yeah, that's a nice sound. So, gonna unload a couple more wagons, keep this baby going. Everybody showing up 8 o'clock. This will be all dried out, mostly. Hopefully that'll still go. That'll be it for this video. I'm starting a new day. Have a good one. Like, subscribe. Peace.